Hey guys, today we're building the all-rounder gaming PC. This machine costs £900, and let's take a look at the components I've selected for this build. For the case, we've gone for the Define Mini C, and this is from Fractal Design. The reason I picked this case is micro ATX, it's sleek looking, and it comes with 2 included case fans. For the motherboard, we've gone for the MSI's Mortamax board. This is running the B450 chipset, and this is a micro ATX motherboard. We went for the Ryzen 5 3600. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor, with enough power to crunch through most games and video editing tasks. This even comes with a cooler in the box if you want to use it as standard. We're going to use this water cooling system. It's the H45 from Corsair. When it comes to memory, I chose Corsair's Vengeance LPX. Now this is running at 3200 MHz and it's 16 gigs. Should be plenty for gaming, plenty for editing and multitasking. For the boot drive, we've gone for a Crucial P2 NVMe solid state drive, and as you can see there, it is 1 TB. At times like these, when there's stock issues for graphics cards, I've gone for the Ventus 1660 from MSI. This will give us loads of power in games, especially at 1080p, and it'll be a cracking card for all-round gaming. So when it comes to the power supply, I went for the AeroCool Cyclone, and this is a modular 700 watt unit. Okay, it's time to get building this thing. Let's go!
So let's get that Ryzen processor installed into the socket, followed by the memory and then the NVMe drive.
We need to work on the case, put the standoffs in, so we can put the motherboard into the case.
I'm installing the in-out shield for the motherboard and removing the rear fan. I'm going to install this up front for more cooling. Okay, the motherboard's going into the case. Let's get it screwed down and secured in place. This is the water cooling unit. We're going to put this onto the processor next. Gotta line it up perfectly. Looking fantastic. Next job we've got is to install the power supply. Have you ever seen anyone cable manage a PC this quickly? Let's go! And now it's time to consult the manual to show where the front panel headers go. I'm removing the PCI blanking plates in preparation for the graphics card. Let's install that with a solid click and give it some power.
There we have it guys, that is my £900 PC build complete, and the best thing of all, you can buy this right now on the Facebook Marketplace.
Get to the safe zone.
He's below us.
Yeah. He's below you.
Tunnel.
Got to come out of that.
In the tunnel.
Yeah. Back up, there you
Hello,
go.
sexy.
Nice.
This system would blast through Fortnite, Warzone, Minecraft, you name it, Cyberpunk. It's going to give you a great experience. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this build. Let me know down below what you think to it. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye now.